In this objective question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct structure explaining shared terminal depth of reproductive and urinary system in human male. For this, let you have a detailed structural narration about the human reproductive system so that we can specify the correct answer or avoiding the wrong option. In this picture, we can see the urethra is not only facilitating the sperm movement and also it facilitates the urine movement depending upon the various condition. So we are choosing urethra as the correct answer. We are ignoring ureter. Why? Because ureter is responsible only for the urine transfer. Vas difference is only for the sperm transfer like vas efferentia. So we are ignoring option B, C and D and we are specifying option D as a correct answer to secure 4 mark. What are the points we told with this option and diagram? We are giving a sentence-wise narration to have a neat notes for future reference. The urethra is a conductive used to remove bodily fluid from the body, connecting the genital to the bladder. The urethra travels through the pelvis and carries semen as well as urine. With this specification, we choose an option A as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.